Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is a classic and a staple Caribbean dish that you will find throughout the region, and one that a lot of people request. How can I make really good rice and peas? So here is my recipe. Our ingredients are dry kidney beans, some scotch bonnet, thyme, bay leaves, coconut or salt and sugar. So to start with, you want to soak these peas overnight. You can use the canned ones, but it tastes so much better when you soak them. When you soak them, they will double in size like this. And then we want to boil them and basically cook them fully. So I'm just going to put this pot onto the stove with some water, bring it to the boil, and to cook them it takes about an hour until they're soft. So once they're soft, we can start to flavor this water. So we've got all our other additional ingredients here, starting off with the salt and sugar. Then we want to add our coconut. And then just give that a stir until the coconut dissolves, because that's like the base of the rice water, seasoned now. Then we just want to drop in our thyme, scotch bonnet and bay leaves. And then just bring that up to the boil again. Now I've got some just regular easy cooked rice here. Just want to give that a quick wash to remove any excess starch, and then add the rice to the pan. Once you've added it into the pan, just give it one last mix through this. Just make sure that the peas are evenly kind of incorporated in the rice before we give it its final cook. So just put the lid on, bring it to the boil. Once it's boiling, turn the heat down so it's low enough that it's just simmering, because now we just want the liquid to evaporate. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes. So if we have a look here, all of the liquid is gone and it's just the steam now. So if you just leave this until you're ready to serve it, the rice is basically done. See how the grains of rice just separate themselves from one another, not sticky or anything like that. And that is the rice done. So I'm going to serve this here with some oxtail. I'll share the recipe for that above, but you can put this with everything: curry chicken, curry goat, all of which recipes I have shared previously. And that is my recipe for rice and peas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's a really quick one. Once you use this recipe, you are literally good for life. Until the next time, peace and love.